Hello, trying to flash a bootable USB but your software keeps corrupting the ISO? Today, we are deploying a lightning-fast Rufus setup to create flawless OS installers and instantly bypass annoying Windows 11 TPM and RAM restrictions. Let's go. Head down to the link below to fetch the optimized executable archive. Because Rufus is a zero-bloat utility, the file downloads in a fraction of a second, landing the raw binaries directly onto your local drive. Let's fire up the dashboard to view the flashing controls. Drop in your ISO file and check the settings to ensure the target system type is set to UEFI and the partition scheme matches GPT. Your bootable media workspace is fully calibrated and ready to flash any OS image without errors. Head over to our platform right now to secure the clean package and build your ultimate tech toolkit.